Integrating GoHighLevel with any website is simple and can be done in a few ways depending on the tools you want to connect. Here's how. Embedding forms or funnels. Forms. In GoHighLevel, create a form or a funnel. Once created, go to the funnel or form page, click on Embed or Share and copy the HTML embed code. Paste this code into the HTML section of your website. This allows GoHighLevel forms to collect leads directly from your website. Tracking with pixels. GoHighLevel allows you to add Facebook, Google or other tracking pixels to your site for conversion tracking and retargeting. To integrate, go to your HighLevel account, navigate to tracking and copy the pixel code. Add the pixel code into the header or footer section of your website using the website settings or a third-party integration plugin. API integration. For advanced integrations, GoHighLevel offers API access. This can be used to connect your website with GoHighLevel for deeper functionality, like syncing form data or automating workflows. You will need developer resources to set up API calls. Zapier integration. Use Zapier to connect GoHighLevel to other website tools. Create zaps to trigger specific actions when a user interacts with your website.